What's up? My name's Carrington. I'm 20 years old. I'm a model in Los Angeles, and these are my tips on how I would get signed if I was someone looking to get into modeling, completely new to the industry, and just wanted to get some representation. What I would first do is get digitals. Digitals are basically really basic photos of you that just show your look, headshots, some full body shots, show your physique a little bit, and something that will really let agencies know what you look like. So what I would do is ask a friend or someone I know who's a photographer, hey, could we get some digitals? It'll take you 5 minutes. It's really quick. Just boom, headshots, boom, full body shots, and then you would have those, and you're on your way. What I would do next is look up any modeling agencies in the area. So if I'm from Los Angeles, if I'm from Phoenix, if I'm from Chicago, I'd look up Chicago modeling agencies, and I'd get a bunch of search results. I would see what names are coming up pretty often to know which are more reputable agencies. Get an idea in my head of what the whole agency scene looks like. After you have your digitals, after you have an idea in your mind of what agency you want to be signed with, then I would go ahead and look at their websites. So I would look up XYZ agency, whatever website, check out their stuff, see what they're all about, and then I would just see if they have any information about casting new faces, if they have an open house, once a month or whatever, or maybe they just want an email. What I would also check is their Instagram. If they're ever posting about, looking for new faces or anything like that, they may have some resources there. Then after that, so now you have your digitals, you have your agencies in mind of what to do. That's pretty much all you need. So after that, you would just go ahead and write an email. So this is what I would say to an agency. I would just say, hey, my name's Carrington. I'm 20 years old. I'm 6'1". I'm an astronaut, and I'm looking for representation in Milwaukee. I'm based in Milwaukee, sure. I would love to meet with y'all and see if we would be a good fit. Thanks a lot for your consideration, Carrington. And then at the bottom, I'd probably put like my phone number, or if you have like Instagram, link your Instagram. So your email would look like name, age, height, job. I'm trying to get signed, blah, blah, blah. Thanks for your consideration, Matilda. Your phone number, your Instagram, your TikTok handle, whatever. And then you're just going to wait. They might get back to you the next day. They might get back to you next month. But don't be afraid to follow up. So if you've emailed an agency and, it's been like a week and you still heard nothing, follow up with them. Hey, just following up on this, would really like to meet up if that's a possibility. And yeah, so getting signed is probably what I would say the easy part. Not because, it's just so easy, every agency is going to want you. That's not what I mean. Getting signed is not the hard part. The hard part's actually getting work once you do get signed. So you just got to get signed, bust out a bunch of photo shoots, show some versatility in your look, show that you can be comfortable in front of the camera, and then build your portfolio and hopefully give clients something that they're going to want to hire you for. And then after that, you just are a good little model munchkin and do your job and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so that's pretty much how you do it. Getting signed, this whole process is the easy process. Okay, you should be able to get your digitals and write all these emails and all. Okay, so to recap, this is what I would do. First, get digitals, have a friend take some photos of you and develop them quickly for you and send them over to you. Then I would put those in Google Drive and have that. Next, you're going to go look for an agency in your area. Look up modeling agencies in Los Angeles. There's 10 billion of them. And then I would make an email. I would maybe get the email addresses of 10, 15 different agencies that you want to sign to. Okay? It doesn't hurt. The more the merrier. I would say, hey, my name is Matilda. I'm 20 years old. I'm 6'1", and I am an astronaut. I'm looking for representation in Los Angeles. Please get back to me if you're interested in meeting. Or if you're looking for new faces, whatever. They're always looking for new faces. Thank you for your consideration. Signed, Matilda. And then I'd put your phone number, your Instagram handle, your TikTok handle, if any of those are popping. And then you just wait and follow up, and don't be afraid to follow up, because they have a lot of shit to do. And if they don't get back to you right away, it's because they have a lot of shit to do. So don't be afraid to follow up. And yeah, the more agencies you apply to, the merrier. You know, you could even maybe DM the agencies on Instagram, see if they get back to you in that way. They might forward you to like, hey, okay, send your shit to an email, whatever. But yeah, not super crazy process. It's just photos and reaching out to people. So that's what I would do if I was brand new. And yeah, if you have any more questions or want advice or tips or blah, blah, blah on any modeling stuff, then please drop it down in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. So thanks a lot. I hope this helped. And yeah, best of luck to you.